The sneaker gods have smiled upon us once again. What's up, C Squad?
It's Nigel Seed
and Daddy C
of
KICKTALK. And today we are talking about the Sacai Fragment LD Waffle, the smoke gray colorway. One of our more recent sneakers pickups was the exclusive access off-white Nike Dunk. Right? So once that happened, I got access exclusively. I wasn't sure I was going to see another W on sneakers for a long time.
Really, because that one was so huge.
Yeah, it was so limited and just specific, random. I was like, man. And I entered probably about 3 or 4 other things. Took L's. Then also the Sacai Fragment that came out before was the black-blue colorway. Entered that. No go, right? You said didn't get them.
Yeah.
Then I entered for the smoke gray, and then we got them. W.
Nice.
So we're gonna talk about that shoe today. So excited! It's a shoe I've been really looking forward to.
Yeah.
I actually like this one better than the black blue. So we'll pull it out. You tell me what you think about it.
Okay.
Comparatively to that one that's in the navy blue, kind of really navy blue colorway. But this is the box. It's just your traditional, the orange like drawer style box.
Ooh, it has a little pull-out thing. Ready?
Yep.
Sick.
All right. It is weird. They wrap this thing up in here like a baby.
Yeah.
It's like completely wrapped. Like literally the shoe itself.
Wow.
Is
like
wrapped.
a little burrito.
Yeah. It's like, I appreciate it because I don't want it to get messed up.
Yeah.
But the shoe itself, man, is clean. Indubitably clean.
Indubitably
You can unwrap
clean.
that one too.
Yeah.
Just watch your fingers, man. Don't get them all over my nice suede shoe.
Okay, this is a suede shoe. That's right. Well, I like it though.
But look at that shoe.
Yeah. Nice.
The nice silhouette. And this again is the Sacai Fragment LD Waffle.
The classic.
The classic. That's it. Fragment Sacai as you see on the side of this shoe.
Yeah.
But I love this shoe, man. This is and it's got all the great thing about this shoe is all about the materials. It's like they've done Sacai's done an LD Waffle previously, but they didn't do the collab with Fragment, and the previous ones had like a translucent where this gray mesh is. But now that they did this Fragment collab,
The materials and the colors remind me of like the normal gray New Balance.
just like the classic, like 992s, 997s. Yeah, a lot. You're right, and that's what I like that makes it so clean.
Yeah.
Those clean colors.
Like that.
Yes.
I take a sniff into this shoe.
Yeah.
Smells immaculate.
It's got the good smell.
Indubitably. I love the smell.
That is a good smell.
So I'm already giving it a high rating just because of the smell. Now let me tell you, I was looking at the bottom of these.
Yes.
These remind me of a golf shoe.
Golf, because you're thinking like golf tread?
Yeah.
Well, interesting you should say that. Let me give you a little history lesson.
Let me know.
This is, so the LD Waffle is what they call it. So it's a mashup of actually 2 shoes.
Okay.
It's the Long Distance Runner, which is an old original Nike shoe from back in like the late 70s. And it was the Long Distance Runner and the Waffle Runner. So this is the LD Waffle.
Oh, it looks like a waffle down here. I see.
And the waffle on the sole, so Phil Knight and Bowerman, I forget his name, Paul Bowerman, I think was his partner. When they started Nike, they made all of their soles in-house back in the day, and they poured rubber in actual waffle molds. And so their runners actually had, like that waffle pattern. That's where it came from.
That's cool.
Hence the waffle runner, which I found that fact out. I was like, man, that's pretty interesting.
Yo, Nike waffle shoe, right?
Yeah, the waffle shoe.
Sick. Dad, you know what we should do? All right, here's what we're gonna do.
What's that?
We are gonna bring out the waffle maker and make our own waffle sole inside the waffle maker, except it's gonna be called the breakfast. I thought that was a banger, to be honest.
We're not gonna start making our own soles and waffles. That was old school before this stuff existed. Now they have all kinds of technology, I think, to make soles and make tons of shoes.
Sure.
So that's good thinking though, man.
Thank you.
So creative.
Thank you, sir.
I love it. That's using your noggin.
Yeah, that.
Yes.
I was thinking, right? I was like, what kind of fit would you wear with this?
Yes.
And I looked at your shirt.
Yeah.
And show the C Squad. This is...
My girl?
Yeah, this is Sade shirts #2 for Daddy Seed.
I love Sade, man.
I know. No, y'all don't understand, bro. Like, it's actually saying like 24/7. Just cause right now, just cause we're recording a video, Alexa, I can't say it out loud because she'll turn on. But she's playing Sade all the time.
It's like my wind down music. I finish work, you know, I'm getting my mind right, getting ready to get things together to record. I need her to like get my mental focused, you know what I'm saying? Sade, if you out there and you want to holler at us as a channel, get with us. Mommy C behind the camera, you know.
Oh yeah.
I'm just saying, we're some big supporters of Sade.
Yeah,
the band and the singer.
Band?
Yeah, clean it up.
Sade is the band and the singer. The group itself is called Sade.
Yeah, we're all sure you're talking about the band and not just the singer.
Absolutely.
Right.
Absolutely. All right, so my take on this shoe is that it is fire. I think it might be like a top 5 release for this year, personally.
Wowzers.
Yeah, I mean, there's been a lot of Jordan 1s.
Yeah.
Of course, the Amamanya 3s. You got the Travis Lows. But I think to break away from Jordans, this is just a nice, clean, simplistic shoe.
Not lying, yeah.
And I read a quote from Steve Jobs not long ago. You know, he built Apple to not have all these crazy bells and whistles and be trendy and do all this other stuff, like doing extra stuff. He said that simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. You know what I'm saying?
True that.
Think about the iPod, the MacBook, the all of those things, right? All Apple. It's just simple, clean line, clean designs. And I look at this, and it's got the Apple colors, right? It's like white, gray, simple. They actually come with another set of laces, like a white lace that you can intertwine with the gray lace. You get a gray and white kind of deal. They do the double laces.
That's tough, yeah.
Yeah, and then they do this whole double aesthetic, right? This is the Sacai aesthetic, and then Fragment, which I would think you would see more from Fragment in this design, but I don't see a lot besides being on the tongue.
Yeah.
The Fragment tongue. Then you got on the side, right? The classic Sacai Fragment.
Sacai,
yeah. Then you got this kind of tooling call out on the other side, which says, what does that say?
LD Waffle, FA21.
Fall 21.
Fall 21, men's run 233, Sacai's Fragment.
Right. So that's kind of the only call outs from Fragment here.
Yeah.
The rest is Sacai. And I think too, like the previous release, they did like the regular Sacai waffles. This kind of butt that sticks out of the back was stuck out further.
Okay.
So they I think they brought it in some, which I like a lot better. Because the first time I saw it, I was like,
last time I didn't really like it too much, but I'm looking at these and I really do like it.
yeah, it had like a badonkadonk.
Yeah.
Now it's got like a medium.
Sounds simple.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And you know, the premium suede, man, this is like good, nice long hair suede, and you feel it, right? You know how soft that is.
Yeah.
Very premium, very rich.
Extremely.
The mesh is nice mesh, nice smooth leather. And the whole shoe sits on this like double foam scenario down below.
Yeah.
And also like that they have the foam that's gray and white, not just all white.
too.
That adds like another dimension.
It's a dope shoe.
Yeah.
All right, guys, you love it so much. I need to get your rating on this.
This one?
Yeah.
This shoe is clean, man. I'd say
It's top 5 of the year.
I might have to give it like a 9.5. Like, what more could you do with it?
So round it.
10 out of 10. Just call it 10 out of 10. It's clean, man. And then like that heather gray color throws back to me like it's always like nice pair of like heather gray sweats in like the 90s. When I was in college and stuff, like even today.
Yeah.
Gray sweats is just
always
a common, easy thing.
Yeah.
Throw on some gray and white kicks. You set.
That would be valid.
Don't have much else to do. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
The fit is fresh. I love it. Nike Sacai, Fragment, LD Waffle. You love it. What's your rating?
I'm about to give it a 9.
9.
9.
All right, so we up there.
We up there.
We up there. All
What's
right,
up?
you're feeling it.
Yeah.
Have to check it out with these white laces next time. But yeah, we'll be bringing some more heat, guys. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video. We want to make sure you hit the notification, when we drop a new heat, because we got a lot more coming. So the next time, peace.